So this is the steps we'll go through to create our first Google project site. Thing to remember is this may look like a lot, and it's not. It's really pretty straightforward. And furthermore, once you've created your site, you'll be able to save it as a template and be able to reuse it easily. So let's go ahead and go through what steps we're going to follow, and then we can get started. So we're going to go look first at an example site so you can see how we're creating a simple project site and one way to do that and how to use it. Then we'll go through and show you how to create a new site and do a little bit of cosmetic changes on it, make it look a little bit nicer. How to add a documents folder. This is where you'll store all your project documents. You could have multiple folders. In this example, we're only going to have one. Then we're going to show you how to add an announcements or an updates page. So it's a place that you can post upcoming events and reminders, things like that for your project team. Then we'll go and show you how to add a change request and a problem report form to the site. So this is a place where your team members and stakeholders can go if they want to submit a change request or a problem report. And the nice thing about these forms is the results get put into a spreadsheet, which makes your job as a project manager much easier. And then we're going to show how we're going to put it all together. So how we're going to create a single page where your team and stakeholders can go to get an overview of exactly what's going on with the project, announcements, dashboard, things like that. Then we'll show you how to add a project calendar to the site, which is very useful so that your team members can also have one place to go for reminders about status meetings, milestones, special team meetings, and things like that. Then we'll spend a little time showing you how to customize the site a little bit, show you that there's a wealth of options here. We won't do too many of that, but just a few little tweaks to make it a little bit more usable. And then we'll show you how to create a site template from what you've done so that then you can quickly use that to create your next project. So you'll see how all of this work is worth it, because once you've gone through this, you'll be able to reuse it very easily. So let's go ahead and get started.